Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old brushes from the tool. The brush is secured with the brush cap. I'll use a screwdriver to unscrew the brush cap. With the cap removed, now I can pull the brush away from the brush holder. To install the new brush, I align it with the holder and insert it. And then I align these wings with the sides of the brush holder. Press this assembly into the brush holder and re-secure it with the cap. Be careful not to over-tighten the cap or you will break it. And I repeat this on the other side. And that's how easy it is to install new carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up